Okay, here's your makeup tutorial. So, little ones will need a neutral or a light color pink lipstick, and they will need blush and mascara, and that's it for them. You can do a powdered foundation so that they're not shiny too, but that's optional. Students in the 3 o'clock show will need liquid foundation and powder foundation and blush, and then eyeshadow in neutral colors like golds and browns. We don't do any like blues or purples. Like greens would be fine too, like more of a neutral green, some more earthy tones. And then eyeliner, usually dark brown is nice. And then finishing off with, where is it? Mascara. And then red lip. This looks really bright. This is the color I'm wearing. And those are all the things you'll need for this makeup tutorial. All right, this is how you're gonna do stage makeup. You'll start with a concealer and you'll go under the eyes. The little kids don't need to do this. And then also go in any blemish areas. Next, for older kids, you'll do foundation. The younger children don't need this. Once the foundation is done, you can set it with a powdered foundation so that it's not shiny on stage. Take a blush. I don't do this bright red, but a nice pink or a brown would work. And this should be have a lot more color than what you would wear on a day-to-day, just so that the faces, you can see them really clearly. Next, you'll do eyeshadow. The little minis don't need to do eyeshadow or eyeliner. They can just skip ahead to mascara. So we like to use more neutral, natural colors as our just general look for makeup. So any like browns or golds usually work well. So I'm gonna take this gold and go all over my lid. After the gold or the base color is on the lid, then you'll take a darker color, not black, but maybe like a dark brown, and this will go in the crease of the eye. So I usually like to start on the inside, and I can feel this divot right underneath. There's a bone here, I think. Go in the crease here. I don't go all the way into the inside of the eye because it looks too dark. But just about here. And then go right inside that divot. So you take it out so that it goes, if I were to take a diagonal line from the edge of my eyelid straight up to the end of my eyebrow, so it goes about that far. You don't want to open it up too wide. After eyeshadow, you'll do eyeliner. You can use a brown or a black. I like to use brown because I'm very, very fair, but maybe if you have a little bit of a darker complexion, you can use the black, and that's totally fine. So you're gonna run it from the outside of the lid in, and we don't go all the way into here, just about to the, I guess, the inside of your eyeball. Just tracing the lash line there. Again, the younger kids don't need to do eyeliner. Okay, so once you have the top liner done, you can go along the bottom. I still have some left over from yesterday. Not on the waterline, just right underneath the eyelashes. And same thing to about here. Don't go in all the way. And then we're gonna wing it. So you'll start on the outside and go do that on both sides. Doesn't have to go out very far. This is to open up the eyes more. And then for the bottom wing, you'll just come out here. And that can be a little smaller than the top wing. Okay, so there's the eyeliner. And you want to finish with mascara. So the best way to do this with kiddos is to hold it underneath their eyelashes and just have them look up and then blink. So go like this, have them look up and blink, and do that a couple times, and I'm not gonna do that again though. So start at the bottom of the lashes and pull up. As you get to the side, you kind of pull out to the side and not directly up. You can do like a little wiggle wiggle. Okay, same thing on that eye. And then y'all do the bottom. So have them keep their eyes open and just gently get the tops of these lashes. Oops, fix it there. And then you'll do the side. All right, we're gonna finish up with lip color. So if you have a guy dancer, you can have them do like a neutral color like this. If not, we're gonna do a red color. The younger kiddos, like in the minis show, they can wear a pink lip too. And then our older kiddos who have the full eyeshadow and eyeliner, yeah, then they can do the red lip. And then rub your lips together. So you'll start off with your liquid foundation, then your powder foundation. The little ones probably only need the powder foundation since their skin is so clear. And then you'll do your blush. I didn't make mine too bright today because I'm going to an event, but it should be brighter than this, with like a pink or a light red. And then you'll start with the eyeshadow. The little ones don't need to do eyeshadow, so start with your like base color, and then you'll take the darker color in the crease here. And then you'll go to your eyeliner, tracing first the lash line just to about here on both sides, and then tracing the lash line on the bottom to about here as well. And then you take your eyeliner and wing it slightly further out to the side with the top, and then just a little one on the bottom. This just helps to open up the eyes more. And then you'll finish with mascara. Remember, stick it under the lashes, have the kids blink. That'll get the mascara on there, and then a little bit on the bottom. And then finish up with a pink or like a nude color for boys and then little kiddos, and then a red lip for the older kiddos.